everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm just doing a quick Halloween get ready with me. I am literally so obsessed with my costume. Like, if you couldn't tell already, I'm Sailor Jupiter, and I was like, okay, I absolutely need to do a get ready with me because everybody needs to see my costume and I freaking love it. And mind you, please remember that this is my first voiceover ever, so please bear with me for whatever happens. I might get a little silly because this is hilarious and really awkward, and I'm filming this off on my iPad, but yeah, in case you weren't paying attention, I literally put my bronzer on and then I just remembered that I needed to put my primer on, so here's me doing that with my bronzer already on. Okay, yeah, I'm kind of like a little bit concerned about how I'm gonna edit this video, like with the voiceover, but like the thing about YouTube that I learned is you definitely have to just learn as you go. Like, learn as you go and just say fuck it and just Google things if you find yourself being stuck. One thing I do want to say though, like in these clips, I'm like blending out my nose contour, and like I truly believe that my nose is crooked. Can somebody tell me if they think it is or isn't? Because like I asked my friends and I feel like they're just like trying to be nice to me and they try to say that it's not, but I really think it is. And the reason for that is because when I was 18, I was hurdling and I literally fell on my face on the hurdle and I broke my 3 front teeth. Yeah, I'm gonna try to insert a picture somewhere, but yeah, fun fact is that my 3 front teeth are fake. Another thought that I have as I'm like watching this video and like doing this voiceover, I just like really would love to quantify the amount of time that I've spent getting ready. Like, as a girl, does anybody else ever think about that? Like, for example, this past weekend I got ready 3 times, and I would say the longest time I spent within the past weekend was Friday. I probably took about, I promise you, like 3 hours. And I couldn't tell you why it took me 3 hours. Like, I was with Alexa, we were getting ready in my room. I think it was because we kept getting distracted and I kept checking my phone, but like, how can I just take 3 hours to get ready? And it was the same makeup look that I'm doing now, and mind you, it was makeup, hair, and outfit. But if I really had to like put a total amount of how much I get ready, I truly believe that it would probably be like weeks, months, years, because like I can really just take my freaking time getting ready, and like, if I'm being honest, I love it. Like, it might truly be the best part of my day. It's honestly like meditation. Like, I really think that when I'm doing my makeup, when I'm getting ready, I am in a state of meditation, and you can't tell me that that's wrong, because nothing is more therapeutic as a girl being able to just do your makeup unbothered, listening to your favorite songs. Oh my god, and then there's like the times where you're able to just get ready with your best friends. Like, that is peak girlhood there. There is probably nothing better than that. Oh my god, when you literally accidentally just end up ranting the whole time for your voiceover, but you know what? I'm literally just gonna keep it in there, and we're just gonna move on to my hair, so see ya. Okay, so we're in my bathroom right now, and I'm honestly like not too sure like how I want to do my hair. Like, when I did it the other day, I did a half up, half down, and I felt like that was successful. I don't want to see like what I would look like if I did like a full-on ponytail, because that girl has a freaking ponytail. Dude, people keep texting me and I'm literally just like, don't want to answer anybody. Like, is it just me, or like, do your guys' friends call you out for being on Do Not Disturb? Anyways, whatever. So I decided I'm just gonna put my hair in this big ponytail. Yo, why is my voice like sounding like that? I literally sound like raspy, but I promise you, I was like very close to being like nonverbal yesterday. Like, I don't know why. Like, yesterday I didn't talk at all, so I have no idea why I'm like raspy voice kitty today. We're using this straightener because I'm gonna try to curl my front pieces so that I can just, I don't know, just because I want to. Hopefully I don't do it like, okay, that was cute. Okay, when I'm fucking perfect at it, holy shit. Okay, now this side might be a little bit harder. Okay, when I slayed it, oh my god. Okay, period. Should I like go somewhere in my costume? Where should I go though? Like, should I go to the mall? The fucking mall, bro. Like, what? The goal here is to be like cutesy. I don't know if I said this like in the voiceover, but like the other day when I went out in my costume, dude, the next morning, like, you know when you go out and like you realize that you didn't take like any pictures or videos, bro, like that might be just like a girl problem, but like for me, I literally get so sad. Like, it's so serious. Like, how can I go out in my costume and not have like any, I hate to say this, but any content? Like, what do you mean? And I'm obsessed with this costume, bro. And I'm gonna get my comb. And we should just like, maybe like, just comb it once. I've seen other people do this and it comes out perfect, but with my hair, like, it's questionable. I'm literally just gonna do it. Holy fuck, and then I fuck it up. Oh wait, no I didn't. Okay, yeah. And then you just like, oh my god, she's cute. Okay, I'm gonna go put my costume on. Okay. Okay, like, why am I like obsessed with this angle though? Anyways, so yeah, this is my room, by the way. This is the room that I grew up in, like, since I was 8 years old. Okay, I'm gonna say this quick. I don't know if I should like invest into my room because like right now I only want to spend money on clothes and drip. And like, I just don't know if like it's like worth it for me to do to like, is it worth it for me to like fully revamp my room if I feel like I'm gonna move somewhere like within the next year? Because like, I'm just thinking like, okay, if I move somewhere, maybe I can bring it with me. But I also think about like, if I move somewhere and it's just me and like my clothes and like, it's fine. Do you know what I mean? Okay, anyway, so that's my room, whatever. Here's my costume. These are my gloves, dude. The other day, me and Alexa, we cut the thumb because we're like, dude, like, how are we gonna go on our phone if we have gloves on, you know? And it even comes with this. Oh my god. Okay, I'm gonna put it on right back. Wait, how did I just like accidentally become the cutest girl on the planet? My camera's like gonna die. Please, camera, don't die. Dude, I look really cute right now. I really wish I could wear this just like every day. Like, nobody understands, like, I am an anime lover. And what introduced me to anime was Sailor Moon. Oh my god. I'm so cute. Okay, this is her with the boots on. You can't even see. Dude, do I like need to stand on like a stool or something? Oh my god, this is me. Dude, choose your character. Holy shit, this is actually cute. Okay guys, thanks for following along in this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did because this is my most favorite costume ever. So please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.